1.
Download Cmar's UI texture squasher and Pixified UI keeper.
Find that in the description.
2.
Find the name of the UI you want to change. Copy instance. In Sims 4 Studio, create new package. Game file cruiser. In instance, paste. All. Filter. Select the group. Add to package.
Attention!
If you don't have all the packs, the game file cruiser shows the old UI instead of the new UI. Little unfair, I know. Select one. Export image. DDS mode. Name it after the group. Select the other. Export and name it after its group.
3.
In UI Squasher, in group DCA, add that image. In group DC9, add that one. Convert it. In editor, edit it. In PNG image file, import yours. Convert. Re-import both images. Done! Special thanks to Velvet Scorpio and Veil93 Games for helping me work out why the old UI may appear regardless of if your game is up to date. Phew, there's a lot! I had to do all 96 for you.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.